This is David with Best Motorized Shades. This is a security shutter placed over the entry of a gun room, just partly for security and partly to keep children out of a gun room where they might be able to reach weapons. What we've done is just install a security shutter over the opening and then remove the door that used to open to the inside, which was taking up a lot of room in such a small space. We've used a keypad entry, so right now I'll go ahead and punch in the code. You can use up to 6 digits, and I've punched in the security code, and now it is closing. Now the room is secure. Definitely will keep children out of the area, but also will help to prevent it being easily broken into by thieves stealing your firearms. This can be used for any type of a closet area or room area to seal off. Just another use for our security shutters.